Was it?
It wasn't even recording.
Oh my god! You're kidding
You
me.
just said you go cameraman, and I was just like, I thought it was recording.
Oh! Oh my god. So tired last night. Look at all the mess. But this one has arrived. So we have a new fridge. Look how big it is. We got it from Samsung. And we are very happy about it. So it has water dispenser, ice cube, and crushed ice dispenser.
Holy shit! Your doll.
Oh wow! Ah, taking off all the straws, the plastic. And we have an Intriga. Hello. Hello.
Let's fill this bad boy up, man.
So it's automatic, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, the ice will automatically drop. Right.
Alright, so we're just going to slide that on up. Let's fill this bad boy up right now. Maybe we'll use filtered water. Just not
Yeah.
Mess it up.
His hangover.
You don't tell me what to do!
I didn't. I said you're hungover.
Yum.
So we're gonna put this
No, I'm
ice
saying that.
here. That one there.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out! Oh, excuse me! Oh, excuse me!
Why do you have two?
Oh, excuse me!
Why do you have two?
Oh, one for each side of
Brush.
your mouth! Oh!
Yeah.
Oh, there's it.
So we've got
Wow.
the Samsung,
It doesn't
10 years
even-
warranty. You need to do grocery shopping. You can't open it anymore, Logan. Can you open it? Ah, you can't open! You can't open it! Big shopping for our big fridge. How much did we spend? 400?
No, 350.
350. Oh, that's fair enough.
330 I think. What are you doing?
Good job. He's helping. That's what he wants.
Good boy.
Hey, baby. And this is my pantry. We actually just bought a new fridge and it was delivered today. It is the Samsung side-by-side fridge, and this has a water and ice dispenser. So we have the water here, the ice cube, and crushed ice. So it is much bigger than what we used to have. Anyway, so this is my fridge. So this is the freezer. So we recently just had my grocery today and I spent like $350 for 1 week grocery. But look at that space. It's not even full yet. So I have honey soy chicken kebabs. I have mince and of course steak. And I have ice cream, and I have prawns. I just put it here because tomorrow that is my dinner. And that's the freezer. And this side, that's my stuff. I have my fruit and veggies here, and also salads in here, and my iced tea, juice, milk, butter, olive butter, and another butter. I also have cheese in here. We have firm tofu there, and this is our dinner. So I'll just leave it there. And I have my bacon here. This is bacon. And some cheeses. Another cheese, chorizo, butter, some salmon. I have smoked salmon. I have couple of smoked salmon, and I have Hungarian salami for a sandwich, and some soft drinks, quiche, and some dip. We love dips. And eggs. And also, this is where we fill up the water. So it's very easy to fill it up. And it magically goes on here.
Wow!
It has a pipe going through, and this makes ice, and it's very easy. If you wanna put some, if you wanna fill up your esky or your, what you call that? Esky.
Cooler.
Yeah, a cooler. It's very easy. You basically just take this and fill it up. So yeah, so far so good. So far so good.